Now let me get into graphical techniques, but even before I get into graphical techniques, I would quickly show you this. I request you all to download R. Just go to Google, search download R. Let me give you a brief about this R. R was invented way back in 1993 in University of Auckland, which is there in New Zealand basically. And two scientists by name Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman. These two people have come up with this. And when they wanted to launch this, they wanted to limit the access of R only to the University of Auckland students. But when the world came to know about this, they actually requested these two folks to launch it to the entire world, and they've launched it to the entire world in 1993. And since then it is open source, free for download, not just for individuals, even for companies, organizations. And since both of the scientists' names start with R, they have named this tool R, is what a few books claim. A few other books say that even before R, there was a tool by name S. John Chambers has come up with this in Bell Laboratories, even before R. R, or these folks wanted to show to the world that R is far more superior than S. Hence they have named it as R because alphabetically R comes before S. That's the logic a few other books give. All right. Now, there would be something called as CRAN, Comprehensive R Archive Network. What does this mean? If there is only one server, say there is only one server which is placed in University of Auckland, and say all the people across the globe are accessing this to install, to download, to update the packages, so on and so forth. What would happen? Over a period of time, the number of users would grow beyond imagination. As of now, there are greater than 2 million R users, active R users. This server would crash if so many people start accessing this server. Hence, they have come up with this technical architecture wherein they have placed the servers in different countries across the globe. And they've established the connection between the main server to all these servers which are placed in different nations. And through replication, they ensure that the data which is there in this server is periodically updated onto the other servers. So at any given point of time, you'll have the same information across all the servers in comprehensive R archive network. All right. Now let me click on this, the R project. So you can download R for Unix platforms or Windows or Mac operating system. Now let me click on download R. It has taken me to the CRAN page, Comprehensive R Archive Network. And since I'm stationed in India, I will locate that server. It is there in IIT Madras, so I'll click on that. You can download R for Linux. If you get into Linux, you can download R for Linux Debian, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, etc. You can also download for Mac. And 3.3.1 is the latest version. .pkg is the extension for installing this on your MacBook. And R for Windows, I'm assuming majority of the people would be having Windows machines. So all you need to do is just click on install R for the first time. This should be the very first step. Download R and install R. Post which I would request you all to download another software called RStudio. And let me click on this RStudio. The latest version should be 0.99 something. Yep, look at that. The latest version is 0.99.903. You can download it for Windows machines or Mac operating systems or Ubuntu or Fedora, etc. You have OpenSUSE, you have Red Hat also available. Yeah. So you can just download this and install this. Over a period of time, I'm going to slowly and steadily start explaining you all about the advantages of RStudio over R. But the code, the programming, everything remains the same. All right. Now, this is also an open source for individuals. But if organizations want to use RStudio, it comes for a license cost. But the license cost is very less. It is minuscule.